Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Affirm for financing premiums and deductibles, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Affirm for financing premiums and deductibles, start by visiting Affirm's official website. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a secure password that meets the required criteria. After entering your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Affirm. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Affirm website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will need to provide some personal information. This information typically includes your name, address, and phone number. Ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Next, you may be asked to link a payment method, such as a debit or credit card. Follow the prompts to securely link your payment method. Affirm may conduct a soft credit check to assess your eligibility for financing. This process is usually quick and does not impact your credit score. Once approved, you'll be shown your financing options. Review the terms and conditions of these financing plans carefully. Select the plan that best fits your needs and proceed to the checkout. You will receive confirmation of your financing agreement via email. Make sure to keep a copy of the agreement for your records. If you have any questions during the process, Affirm's customer service is available to assist you. Congratulations! You are now registered with Affirm for financing premiums and deductibles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.